Hey, what is up guys, it's me Ans and I'm back with another video. So guys, today in this video I have got some leaked specifications of the VIVO S7. Yes, VIVO S7 was leaked, so I have got it's leaked. So let's start the video. So guys, if you have any concern regarding specifications of any device, you can join our WhatsApp group. Its link is given in the description. So let's talk about its key specs. Key specs are it maybe have 8 GB of RAM. Processor that is used in these devices might be Snapdragon 765G. Rear camera of this device might be 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. In front we will get a dual punch hole selfie, 44 megapixel plus 8 megapixel and more. Battery of this device might be 4000 mAh, and the display size of this device might be the 6.44 inches. Let's talk about its display. The display of this device is 6.44 inches, as I have told you. Screen resolution is 1.1080 into 2400 pixels. Aspect ratio of this device might be 220:9. It's a bezel-less display. And the pixel density of this device is 409 ppi. It's an AMOLED display and a touch capacitive display. And screen to body ratio is claimed by brand is 91.2%, and if we calculate its screen to body ratio is 84.9% only. Vivo is a liar, really. And if we talk about its performance, Snapdragon 765G is a good processor. And it is a quad octa-core processor, clocked at 2.4 GHz and architectured at 64-bit, and graphic chipset that is used in this device is Adreno 620, and a total GB of RAM is 8 GB of RAM. In internal we will get a 128 GB of RAM, and it is not an expandable type. If we talk about some features of this device, so it will have all of sensors and all of the ports, like it will have light sensor, gyro sensor, accelerometer, gravity sensor, light meter and many more. And if we talk about its port, it will have a 3.5 audio jack, so it's good. If we talk about its battery, so it will be the battery capacity is 4000 mAh battery. It's a light lithium ion battery, and all through it comes with the type C port and with 33 watt of fast charging. So this device is great and if we talk about its price and launch date, so it might get launched between September to October. Yes, if we talk about its price, so price are expected between 30,000 to 31,000. So these are some leaks of this device. If you like these leaks, so do hit the subscribe button and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates of my channel.